Hello, my name is Amber, and welcome to How to Eat. Next up, we have Dave.
Hello, everybody. What are we going to be cooking for today?
Today, we will be cooking our recipe for friends.
Our friends?
No, silly goose.
I'm not a goose.
What are the ingredients?
The first is a tablespoon of loyalty.
Whoa.
Now we're going to add a tablespoon of giving.
Oh my gosh.
Is that all?
Nope, we have a dash of cooperation, a cup of kindness, and a half gallon of respect. Wait 20 minutes and then perfect friendship.
Whatever.
Chencho y Marco, vamos ya. Simón, ¿qué tú hacer? Parece amigos, ayuda, respeto, dar. Y es la mejor receta, fiel para compartir. No le pongas omileme, mucha dulzura y cuidado cocinar. What to do to be friends, help, respect, and give. This is the best recipe to share and live. Not a lot of salt and not too much lemon. When you cook it up, fine, done to perfection.